See, now let's see how to send bulk email. See, many of the business owners are facing this problem in the initial stage of their business. Like they are having so many email addresses of their leads, prospects, and clients, and it's very difficult to send mail to all these people, because if they send all the emails together, then it will not go to inbox of the intended user, it will go to the spam folder, so the ultimate purpose will not work. So the business owners need to send mail on a one-to-one basis. That is taking so much of time and effort. It takes manpower also. So with the help of this product, Email Blaster, business owners can send mail within a fraction of seconds, or to the maximum of 5 seconds or 6 seconds for 3000 4000 employees. So sorry, 3000 to 4000 emails. So business owners need not spend time, effort, or even manpower on this email marketing process. Everything will happen, thousands and 10,000 mails will go at a time within seconds. So they can focus their time, efforts into more strategical decisions and other processes and all. They can more focus. Now I'll explain you how to send this one. See, this is the demo. You can log in. I'm logging with my user ID and password. This is Livas portal. Login. So this is the interface. Now you can see here, these are the tags. Dog means I have a set of emails which belongs to dog owners. Spices powder means those who are doing into spice manufacturing business. I have a set of emails of those people. Textile means those who are doing the textile business. I have a set of email. So I mentioned all these together in a one tag. Dog, these are tags: spice powder tag, agro tag, tour tag, retail tag, newspaper tag, bags tag. So much of tags are there. If I want to send a mail to this dog selling people, I can select this. This includes all the people, all the emails that belongs to the selling of dogs. Then mail subject, I have created one, dog promotional, dog promo. I select this one, and if I click send mail, it will go within seconds. I am sending now. So much of leads are there, emails are there, so it takes a 5-6 seconds. Yeah, it is done. See, mail sent, 3000 leads, email IDs, the mail has been sent now. Okay, done. Now you can see here the statistics. You can see today is 27. Yeah, 27 July. I sent number of hits means 1. Enter dog tags. I sent mail, one mail on this date 27. So these and all I have not sent. Check is one tag that 3 times we sent. So all statistics we can see. So next, so this the main purpose is 27 July I sent a mail to these people who are selling dogs. So I can plan accordingly. Next mail, when should I send? Like that. If you want to add mail content, you can click here, new mail content. Like then it will come here. Once you add new mail content, it will come here. Subject of the mail, body of the mail, and you need to tag. Like dog promo, like you can tag this. This tag will come here. Then add mail content means it will go add. Change tag. See, these are the email ID is there. If I want to see one mail ID select, and if I want to change that, I can click here. I can change the tag. Suppose this person is not belong to, maybe it not belong to dog business, some other business, means I can just change the tag like this. If you want to add no mail IDs, you can add here. You need to mention tag here. Tags are like this: dog, spice powder, all these things. Then existing IDs you want to delete, you can select the respective IDs and click delete records. It will be deleted. So this is very simple. Almost 10,000 and lakhs of emails can be sent within seconds. No need to appoint any manpower, or even business owners need not spend their time and efforts on email marketing and all. It will be very easy and smooth. You just imagine 10,000 mails you are sending on a particular frequency, and definitely 10% of that means almost 1,000 business probabilities are there for you. And this is the benefit of this email marketing, and this is the power of this Leave As Email Blaster. Thank you.